Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how to handle down payment or advance payment paid to the vendor for the purchase order. So whenever you purchase from the site, if vendor is saying that before he delivers the goods, if you have to pay the advance money for the purchase order, then we have to know how to handle in SAP. So first let us create the down payment first let us create the purchase order from T code ME21N. You can also follow the path, go to logistic, go to material management, go to purchasing, go to purchase order, go to create and double click on this one. Give here all the detail, give your supplier, give your purchase organization, purchase group, company code, give currency, and here I am going to purchase two material because one more concept I would like to here discuss. Give material 197 and 204. Give your quantity 10 quantity, 5 quantity, and this is the rate. All of the detail is given. Now let's say here I am purchasing this value multiplied by this. So this is for one battery. This is the price. So I am purchasing 10. Let me type here because this is you have to understand. So battery value 10 multiplied by 500. So worth of this much I am purchasing battery. Then camera 5 multiplied by 2000. Camera 5 multiplied by 2000. So this is the worth of camera I am purchasing. Now total value become this like this much. Now if vendor is saying that you have to make 10% down payment on overall value on 15,000, then the 10% you can give in the header itself. So go in the header, go to here in the payment processing, come to here, select down payment, hit enter and give here 10%. Give due date by when you want to make payment, let's say by tomorrow, hit enter. So 10% you can type here, you can type the amount also here. You can type the amount here. Now this 10% is not just applicable for one line item. It is applicable for both the line item. So when you give the down payment in the header level, it is applicable for both the line item. So you can use the header part also. So 10% of 15,000 will come almost 1500 rupees. So give here 1500. Now if vendor is telling that different way he is telling on camera you have to pay the down payment 10% and on battery you have to give down payment 5%. Now it is not good to maintain on the header level because at header level line by line you cannot maintain. Then how to maintain now? If you don't want to maintain at the header level, now remove this one. Now come to here, line item level here, item detail. So So now you are in the line item 10, that is for battery. This is the battery, so 10. Now go to delivery, sorry, invoice, and here you have down payment. Select this mandatory down payment, hit enter. Now you can give here. So for battery, what is the percentage? It is 5%. So give here 5% and give the date by when it is due. Let's say by 27 it is due. See, it is calculating automatically when you are entering at the line item level. When you are entering at the line item level, system automatically calculating. How it is calculating? This 5% and this 5,000. So 5,000 multiplied by 5%. Sorry. Five thousand multiplied by, so here give 5,000 multiplied by 5%. So it will come 250. So that is how your 250 is calculating. Now go to next line item. Select camera. Select here mandatory down payment. Enter for camera 10%. And you can mention the different due date also. So it is calculating 1000. How it is calculating? 10,000 multiplied by 10%. Here percentage is coming, convert to general. So it is 1000. So this is how you can first give the down payment in the PO. I hope you are clear. So if you want to give line by line, you give below. If you want to give at overall level, go and give in the header level. Save it. Save it. Now this is the PO number got created. Now once you create the PO number, if you have built the release strategy, it will go for release. If you have not built the release strategy, then release is not required. Now let us make the down payment. So down payment, in down payment we have something called down payment request and down payment. Now down payment you can do either from ME to DP, or you can use F.47 and F.48. So F.47 to do the down payment request and F.48 to make the actual down payment. In the backend, even if you use this T code, in the backend it will pick this two T code. So either of T code you can use. Now ME to DP, there is no Fiori app, means it is additional T code given. In the Fiori, it is just these two Fiori app are given. One minus supplier down payment request. This is for request purpose and this is for the down payment purpose. But since ME to DP T code separately given in the material management side, let me use this T code ME to DP. So go back. You can go to your reporting and here ME to DP. Double click on this one. You have to give your purchase order which you have created. All other criteria you have to give and execute it. So there are two line item, one 5%, one 10%. So which one you want to convert it? Select, let's say first first I want to select first for the first time. So one I'll make down payment request and payment from the ME to DP, and one I'll do directly from the finance T code. So all other details are there. You can click on this one, create down payment. See here, when you're trying to create, it is asking either you want to create down payment request or down payment. So I want to create down payment request, let's say. And tax, I'm not bringing the tax from the PU because tax I have not implemented. I'm going to select here down payment request. Hit enter. So in the back end, it is speaking F.47. So this is like F.47. If you want to change anything here, you can change it. Let's say uh, it is 250, but now you want to just make only 100 rupees. Partial, you want to create a down payment request. So all this is possible. Now click on this one. See, it is bringing, ultimately it is bringing in F.47 code. So directly you can also come to F.47 and you can do it. Or you can come from ME to DP also. Now come here, give the dates. And which date you have to make the down payment. It is 27, we have given 9/2024. That's the reason in Fiori side for ME D2P there is no T code, there is no Fiori app, because that is duplicate T code. Use here KZ document type, give vendor, give a special GL indicator, enter. Just save it. The down payment got created. You can go and check in here in the PO ME23N. So here you come. So this is the down payment request got created. Down payment request. Now from same T code ME2DP, you can make the down payment also. Again click create. This time select this one, down payment. Remove this one, hit enter. Enter. Click here. So it will bring you to F.48 T code. So ultimately it is bringing you in the finance T code. So here give here A. Give your bank account. Give the amount as much as you want to make payment. Since you have created a down payment request, you can click on this one. So against the down payment request, you can make the down payment. Click on this one, request. So this many requests I have created for practice purpose. Select this one, 250 euro. Create, click on create. So this is the journal entry. Save it. Done. So down payment is posted. Come here. Come back one more time. Again go. So this is how it is got posted. This is down payment. Down payment. This is payment. It has generated the accounting entry. This is the request. This is the clearing. Okay, this is the down payment request clearing. So this and this become 0 and actual down payment 250 is there. Similarly, if you want to do directly from the T code, how to do it? So now one more time we go here, ME2DP, let us run it. See here, this got into green, 250 converted into green. This one got converted into green. Don't see this one because this is For different case I have given. So let me give my which PO number I have created. Just a minute. This is my PO number. So I am restricting here by a PO number. So this is 250 got green. Now this is left for another line item 20. Now I don't want to make payment from here ME2DP. I don't want to use. If I want to use directly T code or I want to use the Fiori app, how can I do? So let me teach you Fiori app, because these days Fiori app is very important. So log into Fiori app, go here, first create down payment request, click here, then click and create. It will take little time. Give your date. Let's say I'm making payment on due date. Give your currency, already selected USD. Give your supplier, 550 is my supplier. Give indicator and give how much is the amount you want to create for down payment request. This is 1000 rupees, so $1000. So give your 1000 and expand it. If it is not expanded, just click on this one and below come and give here due date. Due date. Okay, if you want to give the profit center, you can give. Otherwise, during the actual down payment time also you can give. But profit center is a mandatory to post anything in S4 HANA because of document splitting. So let's say I'm giving here itself. So you can simulate and you can post it. This is the down payment request. It will not generate any accounting entry. Okay, so one more thing I missed here. Again, go inside. Go back. You have to enter the purchase order also. Come here. Please enter the purchase order number also, so that this down payment will be linked with the purchase order. So take your purchase order, give your purchase order, and this is for line item 20. That is for second line item. You are making the down payment for this line item 20. For 20, the PO history is not coming. It means there is no posting related to 20. So give here 20. That is important. This is very important. When you are making payment for PO, you have to mention the PO and you have to give the purchase document number also. I mean PO line item also. And very important also, if this field is not showing here, then you have to check in the field status group. Field may be suppressed. Now simulate it and you can post it. This is how it will look post. So down payment request got created. Now you can go and check it here. Refresh it, it entered. Go and check for 20 line item. See here, this is what down payment request is created 1000 USD. Now go and make the actual payment. Click here, give your date, give your company code, give currency, give vendor account 550, give indicator year, give here 27. So enter all this detail what is required. Okay, give here bank detail, go to here, select this outgoing bank, give amount here, it's not allowing to type, hit enter. System is getting hang. Go to here, request, click on request, hit enter. Now it is allowing to type. Okay, click on request, then this comes and select your down payment request. So this is your request because this is your purchase order number. Select that one, partial, full, any your down payment request you can convert accordingly. Now post it. Okay, so this is the entry got posted. Now go to here and observe the difference when you do the down payment from directly Fiori or directly from T code than using MED to MED 2P, how it appears you observe it. So for 20 line item you observe, and for 10 line item you have three document is showing. For this one you see here also 3. So either you use ME this T code ME to DP, or directly use F.47, 48 or Fiori app. There is no difference because ultimately backend it is picking F.47 and F.48 only. Now let's say you made the down payment, but you decided that I will not purchase this battery plant, you will not purchase. Okay, although you made the down payment, you are planning that I will not purchase the battery, and you are also not planning to purchase in future also from the vendor. So what you will do, you have to reverse the down payment what you have made to the vendor. So you reverse the accounting document which is created. That is, this is the accounting document. This is the down payment document. So you have to reverse this document and you have to process with the refund payment. So first reverse it. F.FB08. Take this document, give your region and reverse it. So it got reversed. Now come in the PO. Come in the PO and check it. Go to here. So it got reversed with this document number. It got reversed, plus minus, it got reversed, it becomes 0 here. So this is got reversed. Once you reverse it, you can delete this line item. You can delete this line item, so there won't be any kind of posting related to this 20 line item. So how to do it? Go to change mode. Go to change mode, and either you can block means you may again purchase in future. You can unblock. I am deleting it. Deleting means I don't want to purchase at all that line item 20. So I deleted it. So see, it got deleted. Save it. So these are the thing you can do. There are lot more thing you can do in the down payment from the purchase order side. If you have any doubt as a FICO consultant, you can ask with your consultant because they know better than us. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks a lot.